Hello everyone and welcome to the 5th episode of SAT Math series. So let's take a look at this question. Each vertex of the rectangle lies on the circumference of the circle, which means each point is located somewhere on the perimeter of the circle. The diagonal of the rectangle is twice the length of the shortest side of the rectangle. So make sure to on your scratch paper to make this diagram and highlight the points and note that this is 2 times the shortest length. The area of the rectangle is 1089 root 3 square units, so what is the diameter of the circle? So conveniently for us, the diameter of the circle is also equivalent to the diagonal of the rectangle in the given diagram. So basically, we find the diagonal, we also find the diameter. So let's get started with our calculations. So we can use the Pythagorean theorem to formulate our equation. So s squared plus b squared equals 4s squared, which is basically just 2s whole squared, right? And then after that, we can subtract s squared from both sides. So b squared equals 3s squared. And then after that, we square root both sides. So that gives us what b equals the square root of 3s squared, which can also just be rewritten as s root 3, right? So now we know that this side can also be written as s root 3. We can keep this as like a reminder so we don't forget, right? So now we have to find the diagonal. So basically, we're given our area, right? So the area of a rectangle equals to length times width. So our area is 1089 root 3, which equals to the length, which is s times s root 3, which can also be written as s squared root 3, right? So now we're left with 1089 root 3 equals to s squared root 3. So now we can cross out the root 3's, which leaves us with s squared equals 1089. So now we can square root both sides to efficiently achieve the perfect square number of 33, right? And now the diagonal is simply 2 times s. So we can do 2 times 33, which equals to 66. Therefore, the diameter of the circle is 66 units. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to leave a like and stay tuned for more SAT tips and tricks.